What is up? What is happening, guys? It is Janelle here with another vlog. Staying consistent. Guys, I'm so happy about the fact that I'm being consistent. So, what is on the agenda for Thursday, August 23rd? Well, right now I'm sitting on a pile of dirty clothes. I have a decent amount of clothes, right? So I can go like a month without doing laundry and still find clothes to wear. And you know what? I even suggest it because it challenges you to wear clothes that you don't usually wear, perhaps clothing that you would never touch, and make it work. Tell me, how is August going for you guys? Are you guys going back to school? Are you guys going back to work? Are you guys in school right now? Are you working right now? What is the situation? Let me know. I'm very curious to see what you guys are up to. Also, tell me, do you guys ever have this dilemma of not knowing what clothes to wear as you're doing laundry? Oh, wait. Do you put on fresh clothes to do laundry? Do you wear something that you've worn recently that you're not ready to wash yet? Like if it's something that you wore for like maybe an hour and you were at home. And then after this, I gotta sort. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness I have a plethora of resources to listen to, such as podcasts, while I do this. Not sponsored. I keep doing these sponsor like lead-ins. I'm prepping myself, guys. I'm prepping myself for the time where I'm gonna have brand deals so that you guys aren't surprised. Laundry is completed. I must say, it always feels so rewarding as I'm putting the clothes into the washing machine. I'm always like, oh, I feel so much lighter and so much better. And I think that that's a good lesson. Because you know me, I gotta make a lesson out of everything. And the lesson is take action. You usually feel that fear, that worry, that anxiety even when you're just thinking about it. But the moment you start putting it into action or just starting that task, that all goes away because you realize that what you were fearing, in most cases at least, is no longer there when you start putting action into the equation. What's up, guys? Today is Friday, August 24th, and I am with my amazing friend Larissa Nicole Fitness. Yes. I did mention her a couple vlogs back. Oh yeah, she was the one that suggested the exercise that I did, and this is her in the flesh.
That's me.
What do you do, Larissa? Tell them what you do.
I am a personal trainer and wellness coach, so I train people either online or in person. Whatever your health and fitness goals are, I can help you, but I mainly target people who are busy women that just want to get into shape and want to change their life for the better. So whether that's physically, mentally, the whole shebang.
Check her out on Instagram.
Yes.
And
Instagram is Larissa Nicole Fitness. That's
yes.
LARISSA Nicole Fitness.
Awesome.
And the same website as well. So she'll put a link in.
Yes, yes.
The website is the same as my Instagram name as well. So I can't wait for you guys to let me know what you think.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Good morning, noon, and night, wherever you are in the world, and I shall talk to you again soon. Bye.